for all of my churchy people out there, this video is not for you. So you give me a thumbs up anyway. Give me some. Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Queen KJD. If it's your first time, what's up? Thanks for clicking on this video. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. So I'm doing a drive with me, another one. I did one a while ago and I got really good responses on it, so I'm gonna do another one. Today we're gonna do a drive with me Ratchet edition because yeah, so better, like, this is gonna be like a drive with me Ratchet edition, but we're gonna do like Christian rap Ratchet. Like, they got Ratchet Christian music out there. Don't talk to me about it, take it up with him. So anyways, like, I have no middle. Like, I really love like worship music. Like, I feel like I'm a true worshiper. Like, I'm not like a praiser, I'm a worshiper. So I love worship music, like with just the guitar. I love contemporary Christian music. Like, that's just all the way on the other side of the spectrum. I don't necessarily like gospel music. They be doing a lot of hollering and it's just way too much. Versus worship music, you can like listen to the words and you can actually focus on what the words mean, and it just makes it so much better. And then gospel, like, people be doing all them runs and yelling and screaming. It's too much. It's a distraction, so I don't like it. And I really love lately the Ratchet trap, what you want to call it, trap gospel, trap rap, trap Christian rap. I love it so much. They're on two opposite sides of the spectrum. I have no middle, I promise you. But I'm about to put y'all on, if you're not already on. Some of these songs are new, some of them are old, but I created a playlist. If you want to follow my playlist on iTunes, I'm gonna leave it in the link below, because you can like download it and listen to it or whatever. I'll be adding to it. Most of it is full of Lecrae. Lecrae is like notorious for like the whole trap gospel, whatever. So yeah, we're gonna get into it. I'm gonna be driving to the nail shop because, child, I need my nails done, girl. I need them done. First off,
get back right, I had to get back right. Lost my cool, whoa,
hey.
Bounce back, got dirt on my shoes, shut back right. When you got real power, you can't lose.
I like the whole trap gospel, I don't know what you want to call it, Christian rap, trap rap, ratchet Christian music, because, like, let's just be honest, or I'm gonna just speak for me. Like, these songs that come out, I like them because the beat is nice. It has a nice, you know, little beat to it or whatever, bass is jumping, but the lyrics be trash. Like, if you really listen to the lyrics, like, it's so degrading and it's disrespectful, and it's like, what? And then they be cursing, and then now you cursing, and like, hearing this type of music, you still get the effect of the nice beat, and the lyrics is bomb. Like, they actually mean something and they add value to your life. So it's a win-win. You feel me? Okay, y'all, I just got done at the nail shop. My nails are bot.com. Check out my Instagram because I always post my nails on there, so you can see like all the nails if you want some nail inspo. But on the way to the nail shop, my camera overheated because it was in the car. It was kind of hot, so I didn't get to finish my video. However, we're gonna go ahead and finish jamming.
So you get rich off of dope if you let them tell it. Get a scale and a boat, roll it up and sell it. It's for all my folks who got legal jobs and beat the odds, feel me? I ain't supposed to be nothing but a dope dealer, but I hope killer. Supposed to brag on the guns and the coke kilos, dropping mollies in the coke seeds. I never knew my pops. I've been abused, ran from the cops. I went to school, I on them crops. Wasn't a thug, never been shot. Yeah. Mama told me, mama, all the time. God is good, all the time. Oh, you poppin' on IG, yeah, you probably gonna follow me. Let me tell you about God, G, and how he gonna follow you. Low key lit, high key lit, low key lit, whole squad be lit.
Oh yeah.
too hard for God. Work it, work it, work it, work it, work it, work it. I'm tripping holy water. I got that holy water. I'm tripping holy water. I got that holy water. People wonder how we did it. People wonder how we get it. I tell them don't chase the money, chase the vision. Put your people in position. Turn that water in.
Hey, I have to tweet that. He said don't chase the money, chase the. Hold on. That was good. Cause I'm about to do a video about purpose and. Okay. I've been really like passionate about that lately, so let me hold on, Cray. Wait a second.
I tell them don't chase the money, chase the vision. Put your people in position.
Wow! I told him don't chase the money. Okay, hold on. Don't do this. Please don't follow me. I told him don't chase the money, chase the vision, and put your people in position.
Do the police protect me. If it's dripping holy water, if she with me, respect it. She dripping holy water.
All I need is you. This is my song. Listen to the lyrics.
On my side, making pain, highs and lows, don't let go. We gon' ride, we gon' win, don't know how, all I know.
You always pick me up when I'm feeling down. You always make it better for me somehow. All I need is you.
Being broke made me rich. Being broke made me rich. Gotta keep the stove hot so it cook right. Everybody eating, that's a good night. Eating free lunch, trying to act all cool. But you better know that we paid our dues. You better tell me if you with me. I'm probably more of a threat to y'all when I'm dead, though.
I be working out to this song right here. Getting my entire life.
I got a real plug, and never let me down. Always come through when I need it, never been a drop. I'm plugged in, I'm plugged in, I'm plugged in, I'm plugged in. Woke up early Sunday, hustling all week. Cook a meal up in the studio and
Wait, see, look, some of the songs I gotta say, I gotta reel it back in because I be ready to twerk, and I don't know, like, if I feel convicted about it or not. Like, I don't.
I love God. You don't love God? What's wrong with you? I don't think that I can live no other way.
love him, I love him, I love him. Love him, 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 love him. I had to switch it, I had to switch it up. I had to mix it up. I was on pills and potions. I had to give it up. Put all my friends in position. Told them don't take out the mall. I just switch it up.
He had to switch it up, girl. Period. So my camera battery is gonna die, but I pretty much finished my playlist. There's not that many songs on there, but all the songs be in the D-bar and they're also in the video, so give it, check it out. Young Christian millennials, you feel me? We can turn up too. It's just we gotta get smart about it, and we gotta, kind of look for it a little more. They don't just put it out there like they do all the other stuff. So I just want to encourage you, keep pushing, keep striving, keep prospering, pray and slay. I will see you on my next video. Mwah.